Drop what's covering the freaking window. It's a bad idea. I mean, look how much snow's on the ground already. Yeah, it's snowing pretty good out here. We're under a snow squall warning until 9:30. Jeez, get pelted in the face by snow. This is ridiculous stuff, guys. This is a new alert on me. I've never been under one of these. And they'll probably issue another one soon.
Get the end of this. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. There is no safe place on the highway when a snow squall hits.
Yep.
Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stop vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the snow squall arrives. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction.
Caught it! Snow squall warning. Snow.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Lee County in north central Illinois, southeastern Ogle County in north central Illinois, DeKalb County in north central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois,
Wow.
northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:30
That's a
p.m.
DVN alert.
At 9:30 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Kenosha to near Sycamore to Prophetstown, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility and heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 73 and 107. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 118. Interstate 90 between mile
Sterling?
markers 33 and
Lark Falls.
Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 31. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 6. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 31. Locations and passes include Aurora, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Des Plaines.
See, this one actually came up as a snow squall warning. The other ones say unrecognized.
Buffalo Grove, Martlex, Crystal Lake, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, and Addison. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during.
It cut off. Should be another one.
The National Weather Service in Chicago
No?
issued a snow squall warning for northwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois. The National Weather Service has issued a snow squall warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, LaSalle County, southeastern Delaware County, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 11 p.m. At 10:05 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Montgomery to near Sheridan to near Princeton, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles an hour. Radar and webcam. Dangerous life-threatening travel, including the following interstates: I-39 between mile markers 41 and 72. I-55 between mile markers 226 and 234. I-80 between mile markers 74 and 122. I-88 between mile markers 118 and 119. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, Ottawa, Yorkville, Streator, Morris, Cheyenne, Minooka, Plano, Peru, LaSalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Braidwood, Coal City, Marseilles, Sheridan, and Montgomery. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during a snow squall. Drivers may not be able to see or to stop. If stopped on the roadway or involved in an accident, quickly exit your vehicle. Move as far away from the roadway as possible only when it is safe to do so. Do not stand along or near the roadway, since approaching vehicles may be unable to maintain control.
Cool.